Get that seat locked down.
This one's still.
Yep. That's what.
I mean, it's pressure.
Check that one.
Yeah, that one's good. Just the one then.
Coming right along. New bolts. Bolt that seat back down in place. Just keep it out of the way. You really don't have to tighten it all the way down. You're going to have to take it off later on to paint it.
What? Paint what?
The tractor.
Oh. Well, that's not for a while. I'm going to be running before I paint this end.
I know. You're good.
Oy.
Hop up there and try her out.
Oy.
The fruit of your work there. Now you just need a steering wheel. That and the rest of the tractor would be very helpful.
Yeah, funny that way. I can get the
Time for another coat of paint on that.
pressing the clutch pedal on this. That's what I was kind of worried about. This is clutch pedal, but that's fully engaged.
Okay.
Is there, so it's not very comfortable, but I can engage it.
Well, they weren't really built for comfort back then.
Well, and this is the wrong seat. If this was the right seat, I would be sitting like here.
You would be up a little bit more.
But I can sit up in the front and reach everything.
Well, when you have the steering wheel, that'll help too.
Yeah.
Here. See.
Fourth gear. I'll probably have to take the paint off the inside of this to get it on there.
Well, there's a key there too. You got to line it up with a key.
Helps. Yeah.
That'll work.
I have to take the paint off.
It'll work.
I'm steering, but I'm not steering anywhere. My tires aren't spinning. Why?
Well, again, need to put the rest of it together, so.
Probably.
Yeah, when it warms up, you can get that second coat of paint on there.
Prime and stuff, the bottom of it. Can I do that?
Yeah.